Can you see the answers? Aşağıdaki sorulara cevap verin. We need to answer the questions according to the dialogue. Okay, just see the first one. Read and answer the question, please. Film nem için okula barmadı? Sebebi film yaramadı. The verb here, yaramak. Yaramak, ma, what is the ma? Negative. Negative and D is a past simple. Okay, the next one. Ellery, can you? Okay. Okay, it's okay. So the second one. Edebiyat sapağında kaçın düzme yazmalı? Okay. So we can give the short answer. Bir gün düzme. Let me write here. Yazmalı. Bir gün düzme yazmalı. So any questions? No. Okay, Nora, the third one. Okay, so let me give the short answer. Fizika, kimya, and beden terbiye bar. Okay. Number 4, Hannah.
Senin düzme yazmada talybyň.
Hava ol şugun biraz okudu. Very good. So number 5, Ines, please. Bollu mu? So you can say yok. The short answer. Kıyın bolmadı. Why bolmadı? Because you see the question bol do me. Bol is a verb, bolmak, to be. Do is a past simple. And me is a question suffix. So in the answer, boldidel, it's better not to say that boldidel. It's okay, like a native speakers can understand you, but it's better to say bolmadi, qin bolmadi. Bol is a verb, ma is a negative, di past simple. Questions? So it's better said yok qin bolmadi. No, it wasn't difficult. It wasn't difficult. Okay, number 6, Bella. Tarihte Avrupa'nın tarihini öğrendiler. So just short answer. Europa, what's the Europa? Ojo, yes. Tarihini öğrendiler. Very good. Tarihte Avrupa'nın tarihini öğrendiler. And the last one but not the least, Debra, Musa film barada alada etti mi? So I'll write the number 7 here. Musa film barada alada etti mi? No. Just tell me the answer. Hoyda wanti.
Selim sudah fotoğraf vermedi. Musa Selim orada alada etdik.
Yeah, you can say just Hova alada etti. Hova alada etti. Okay, let me translate and translate the questions and translate the answers as well. Selim nem için okuvarmadı? Selim nem için? Why? Weyşama okuva. Oku is like a study place. Let's say school or university. Okuva, to the school barmadı. Mayçu, didn't come. So why Selim didn't come to school? Sebebi, because in a way Selim yaramadı, because he was sick. Şengbing. He was şengbing. Edebiyat sapağında haçan dizme yazmalı. Edebiyat, literature lesson, I translate word by word. Literature lesson when essay need to write. In Chinese, please. 文学课. So, edebiyat 文学, right? Sapak ke. Haçan, 什么时候 dizme 문장 yazmalı? Siye. İngay siye. Because here we have mali, like a should. İngay siye. So, birun dizme yazmalı. Birun, the day after tomorrow. Birun, the day after tomorrow, dizme yazmalı. Need to write. Birun dizme yazmalı. Need to write the day after tomorrow. Birun is a hotian, right? Hotian, ingay, siye. So, ertir hayfi sapakları var. Ertir, tomorrow, hayfi, which. Sapaklar, classes or lessons. Bar, have, has. So, in Chinese, mingtian, 有什么课? Fizika, kimya, beden terbiye var. Fizika, physics, chemistry, and PE, physical education. Any questions? No. Selim düzme yazma atayın mı? Selim düzme. Selim is the name of the boy. Düzme. Essay. Yazmağa, to write. Yazmağa, to write, tayin mı? Ready. So, in Chinese, Selim. Okay. Where's the fourth? Yes. Hova all shugun brad okudu. Yes. All he shugun today brad a little okudu study. One more time. Hova today. Hova yes. All shugun. He today a little study. Yes, he studied a little today, we can say. Okay, so brad a little. Number 5, matematikada barlı iş qiyin bollumy? Matematikada barlı iş qiyin bollumy? So, in the math class, matematikada means in the math class, barlı iş. Quiz, qiyin, difficult. Difficult. Bollumy was. Bolmak, to be, do, past simple, watchu, me is a question. So, number 5, yok, qiyin bolmadı. No, it wasn't difficult. Qiyin, difficult, bolmadı, wasn't difficult. Any questions? Number 6, tarihta näme öwrendiler? Tarihta, in the history class, näme, what? Öğrendiler, learned, öğrenmek, to learn. The word öğrenmek means to learn. Öğrenmek means to learn. Like a what? Kim öğrendi? Kim öğrendi? Do you know kim? Who? Kim öğrendi? No, I mean kim öğrendi? Can you say who studied? Who learned? Can you say that? Can you see that? Third person. After the D, we have ler. You see? That means tamen, olur. Did you get it? Okay. Tarihte näme öğrendiler? What did they learn in the history class? You got it? Are you sure? Okay. Number 6. Yevropanın tarihini öğrendiler. Europe tarihini, history of the Europe, studied or learned. Okay. Musa Selim barada aladetti mi? Look, Musa is the name of the person. Selim, name of the person. Barada, about, Guan Yu. Alada etti mi? Alada etti mi? Alada etmek is a verb. Verb, don't say, means to worry about. To worry. To worry. Alada etti mi? So, Musa, about, Selim, worry, like a did. Okay, let's say, translate correctly. Did Musa worried about Selim? Did Musa worry about Selim? In Chinese, please. So Musa, Guanxi, Selim. Guan Yu, no need? Okay. So this is the answers about the dialogue. Any questions? No questions? Okay. Thank you.